In this question, we are given three circles with radius 2 that are mutually tangent. What does it mean by mutually tangent? Let's understand this. First, let's mark three centers of these three circles. Yes? So these three circles are tangent to each other. That means if I draw a radius from this center and if I draw a radius from this center, this will be 90 degree and this will also be 90 degree. That means this will lie on a straight line. 90 plus 90, 180. This will be a straight line. This radius is 2. This radius is also 2. That is how we will use this statement, mutually tangent. Similarly, if I join this center and this center, this will also be a straight line with radius 2 each. Similarly, we will join these two centers again with radius 2 each. If you look carefully, this becomes an equilateral triangle. Let me name this equilateral triangle A, B and C. Correct? Now, what do we need to find out? We need to find out the green area. How we can find the green area? The green area is these three circles and this part X bounded by these three circles. Yes? So let's start finding the area in green color. We will start with area of three circles. Yes? So how to find the area of three circles? All three circles are equal. They are same. So we can find the area of one circle and multiply by 3. Pi r square is the area of one circle. So 3 times pi, radius is 2 of each circle. So pi into 2 square. If we simplify this, we will get 12 pi. So 12 pi is the area of three circles. We also need to find this area x. Yes, area of x, because this is also in green color. So we need to find this area of x region as well. Yes. So how to find this? What we can do, we can find the area of equilateral triangle ABC and subtract the area of three sectors to find the area of this x region. See, if you find the area of this equilateral triangle and subtract the area of these sectors, yes, we will get the area of x region. Yes. Now, how to find the area of triangle ABC? The formula is root 3 by 4 into side square, where side is of equilateral triangle. How to find the area of three sectors? This will be, all the three sectors are same. Yes. Why? Because the angle formed at the center by each sector is 60 degree. 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. Why it is 60 degree each? Because you can see these angles are angles of equilateral triangle. That's why these angles are 60 degree. And the radius is also same for all the three sectors. So what we can do, we can multiply 3 with the area of one sector. What is area of one sector in this case? This will be 60 degree. The angle they are forming at the center upon 360 times pi r square. What is r here? The radius of the sector. So let's substitute the value of side and radius here. Root 3 by 4 into side is, what is the side of equilateral triangle in this case? As you can see, the side is total this part, 2 plus 2, 4. So this will be 4 square minus 3 into, what is 60 upon 360? This is, if I cancel this out, this will be 1/6. So 3 times 1/6. What will be radius? Radius is 2 for the sectors. Yes. If we simplify this further, we will get 4 root 3 minus 2 pi. So this is the area of x. This is the area of x. Now we need to find the area of green color. Okay, green area. So to find the green area, we need the area of three circles, that is 12 pi. We have found it here. And we need the area of x region as well, that we just found out, 4 root 3 minus 2 pi. If we solve this, we will get 10 pi plus 4 root 3. So this will be the area of green color. This will be our final answer.